This is the Camper's Bushcraft Belt Kit. The Camper's Bushcraft Belt Kit follows my 4-tool rule. So it gives you the tools that you need to prepare your campfire, practice some bushcraft skills, all in a nice relaxing environment, you know, where you got your camp set up. Well, I'm headed on a 4-day wilderness canoe trip with my son tomorrow, so I wanted a belt kit put together that would have all these essential tool items right at the ready. The main component of the belt kit is a used electrical belt. Next is a leather dangler, and I repurposed this from an old knife sheath. This is really handy. The dangler lets me carry gloves, or I can attach my compass and simply loop the tether through, and then the compass can sit inside of my pocket. Another handy feature with the dangler attachment point is it will let me carry my little possibles pouch. So when I'm collecting birch bark, things like that, I can put it in my pouch, quickly seal it up, attach the carabiner to it, hook it on the dangler, and simple as that. Next, I always like to carry my Leatherman Super Tool. Now this is really handy because if you ever have to cut wire or grab a hot pot or something like that. So this is a really handy piece of kit, and that sits right next in this leather sheath. Carrying my hatchet is a leather sheath that I found at a hardware store. Now this came a lot longer to a point to carry a set of pliers. I simply took a razor knife and then cut this all off, and it makes a perfect carrying system for the hatchet. This is the Grand Force Brook little wildlife hatchet, I believe it's called. Excellent piece of kit. Now I put a little bit of hockey tape on the handle just to give me grip. That way, because I use this in the winter time and things like that and build up with ice and snow, so it just gives a little extra grip with the handle. Great hatchet. In the pouch, I'm carrying a military surplus canteen cup and canteen. This pouch works really well. The snaps hold that in really nice and secure. The original threads on the back side were starting to let go a little bit, so I simply took a needle and thread and fixed that up. So now it's nice and secure on the belt. The next 3 pouches on my right side, I made these myself. These were from my daughter's cowboy boot when she was little, so I thought that would be kind of a cool little keepsake. So they work really well because on a cowboy boot, it already has the built-in loop, so that works really well for having a built-in loop system already to carry these pouches. For a folding saw, I'm using the Baco Laplander. The Bushcraft knife I'm using is made by BPS Knives out of Ukraine. This fire steel is from firesteel.com. It is their 1/2 x 5-inch fire steel. On the fire steel, I just put a nice little finger support loop. That way when I'm holding the fire steel, it just helps to stabilize it a little bit more, and then I can easily get my fires started. When I put this Camper's Bushcraft Belt Kit together, I wanted to make absolutely sure I was following my 4-tool rule. So I believe you should always carry a minimum of 4 tools, which is a hatchet, a folding saw, a bushcraft knife, and a multi-tool. With these 4 tools, you can pretty much do whatever type of bushcrafting task that you need to accomplish. And also with that is a canteen with a metal cup. There's a possibles pouch here where I can collect things like birch bark and stuff like that to make my fires. I always like to have a compass on me. Even when you're camping, campers have gotten lost. It's very easy to get quickly turned around in the bush, so having a compass is really important. And also, you want to be able to protect your hands a little bit when you're doing tasks and things like that, especially when it comes to wood collection. It doesn't take long to get a piece of wood and jam it right into the palm of your hand, and next thing you know, you're bleeding. So gloves are really handy. I always like to at least have like a 5-inch or a 6-inch fire steel. It's sturdy, robust, and it will probably last your lifetime. This electrician's waste tool belt used to be a lot longer, so I cut off about a foot of the belt, and I just kind of shaped it to my waist size. So, and it's got the double attachment on the front here, so this is a nice wide belt, and it sits really comfortably. The dangler attachment point is really handy. So as you can see, I can attach my compass, have it sitting in my pocket. I've got access to my little possibles pouch to put in birch bark, things like that. And then also, if I get tired of wearing my gloves, I can simply take them off and attach them. The hatchet is easy to retrieve, and it sits and rests nice and comfortably at my side, as you can see, so it's not poking. It just kind of dangles in there really nice. On my right side, if I get thirsty, I've got nice access to my canteen, folding saw, bushcraft knife, and also my fire steel. So I have all my kit nice and handy at the ready. The Leatherman sits nice and secure. I put a little paracord tab here just to grab it, so it makes it just easier to get it out. So that's nice and handy. I got access to my Leatherman, and then with the little paracord tab. Because all the leather pouches were kind of all different shades, so to make uniformity with everything, so I just hit it with some brown spray paint, some flat black, and a little bit of tan to give the nice camo effect. All right, everyone. So these are the items that I am going to carry on this canoe trip. I hope you all have a great day. Bye now.